The pandemic was, if your business closed down during the pandemic, my theory is, it would have closed down in the next 10 years, whether you liked it or not. Pinabilis lang ng pandemya yung inevitable.
Pero kung babalikan natin yung experience mo na yun, bro. If babalik tayo pre-pandemic, how do you now turn that around? Kasi sabihin natin, all businesses are good. Hindi nangyari yung pandemic eh.
Kung hindi nangyari yung pandemic?
How do you now that turn around? Andun ka sa doon na i-roll ko yung negosyo.
Okay, ito may sasabihin akong statement na maybe a lot of people might not agree, pero ako, this is my stand. The pandemic was, if your business closed down during the pandemic, my theory is, it would have closed down in the next 10 years, whether you liked it or not. Pinabilis lang ng pandemya yung inevitable.
Can you elaborate that further?
So, for example, yung mga franchise restaurants ko, ito yan pagka nag-franchise ka ng mga restaurants, yung rent mo tumataas.
Yes, every year.
Every year. Yung cost of
goods
mo tumataas din.
Okay.
Yung cost ng item mo, yung siomai, hindi naman siya sobrang tumataas eh. Lagyan yung siomai ngayon, pre-pandemic magkano siomai? 38 pesos. Ngayon nakita ko 58 eh.
Grabe nga. Oo nga.
Diba?
Oo nga.
Pero hindi lang naman ganun kalaki yung nilaki ng cost of items. Diba? Like for example, dati ang diesel 25, ngayon 60 na. So more than double. Bakit yung siomai hindi siya nag more than double? Kasi hindi naman more than double yung 58 eh. Dapat more pa, diba?
Yes.
So yung point lang, dapat nasa mga 70 plus na yun ngayon.
Yes.
Pero 58 lang. Hindi na kaya magtaas kasi price sensitive yung
consumer.
Yung consumer. So yung point ko lang, tumaas na yung cost ng goods mo, pero yung selling price mo hindi naman siya umangat. So yung point is, ito yung mga negosyo, hindi mo makontrol. Kasi yung franchise fee. Hindi mo naman madikta yung presyo mo.
Totoo.
Kung ano yung presyo ng franchisor mo, yun lang yun.
Totoo.
So that's the challenge a little bit about franchising for me. Kasi, 'di ba? Depende na lang kung talagang maganda yung brand or maganda yung costing.
Okay.